Hello, Super Smilers. Do you know the secret to a bright, healthy smile? It's brushing your teeth. Your teeth help you chew food and give you a wonderful smile. We need to brush them twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. First, let's get your brush and toothpaste. For kids, you only need a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Just like a little green pea. Now, let's look in the mirror and get ready. Remember to brush for 2 full minutes. Time to get those nasty germs and plaque. There are 3 main parts to brush: the outer surface, the inner surface, and the chewing surface. Let's start with the outer surface. Brush with gentle, circular motions all the way across. Next, the inner surface. Tilt your brush and use short, gentle back and forth strokes. Don't forget the back of your front teeth. Finally, the chewing surface. Brush back and forth to clean the tops of your teeth. And there you have it. Rinse, spit, and enjoy your sparkling, clean smile. Keep those teeth healthy by brushing twice a day. Great job, Super Smiler.